Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle endlessly, no matter how hard they work? The secret does not lie in labor, persistence, or planning alone. It lies in the invisible power of your words. Every statement you make, every sentence you repeat in your mind, carries a magnetic energy that draws circumstances, people, and opportunities to you. When you speak in fear, doubt, or limitation, you unknowingly plant seeds of lack in your life, and the universe, in its absolute impartiality, responds to the vibration you emit. But when your words are aligned with faith, courage, and expectancy, they act like keys, unlocking doors that were once invisible and opening pathways that were once blocked. This is not a mere theory. It is a law as certain as the rising of the sun, and it is waiting for you to consciously command it. Imagine the words you speak daily forming invisible chains or invisible bridges, linking you either to limitation or to the boundless riches of life. If you have been speaking words of struggle, worry, and impossibility, it is no wonder your life reflects that struggle, for the universe mirrors your inner statements with absolute precision. But the good news is that you can instantly begin changing your life by changing the words you allow yourself to say, the thoughts you nourish, and the affirmations you declare. There is one phrase so potent, so filled with divine alignment, that when it is spoken sincerely and consistently, it transforms the invisible currents around you, attracting abundance and dissolving limitation. This phrase is not complicated. It does not require elaborate rituals. It does not depend on external conditions. It is simple, yet it holds a force capable of moving mountains and opening treasure chests that have been waiting for you all along. Consider for a moment how much power your tongue holds. Every declaration of fear or scarcity is like sending out a command to the universe to reinforce the very circumstances you do not desire. Conversely, when you speak words of faith, gratitude, and expectancy, you create a magnetic field that draws people, resources, and opportunities that resonate with your higher vision. The moment you begin consciously choosing your words, you step into a new reality where wealth is no longer a distant dream, but a natural reflection of your inner speech. Your life begins to transform quietly at first, subtly aligning events, relationships, and situations, and then powerfully, visibly, as doors open, ideas flow, and abundance appears from directions you could never have imagined. The law is exact. The timing is perfect. The universe responds instantly to the vibration of your words, whether spoken aloud, whispered in thought, or felt deeply in your heart. It is a treasure hidden in plain sight, waiting for you to claim it simply by speaking, thinking, and affirming the truth of your limitless abundance. Now, imagine standing at the edge of a vast treasure, knowing that the riches you have long desired are within reach, yet sensing that a single step, a single word, could unlock the gates to a life beyond your wildest imagination. Many people never take this step, not because the treasure is absent, but because they are unaware of the one thing that can open the door. They search tirelessly outside themselves, chasing opportunities, bargaining with circumstances, and pleading for luck, never realizing that the key has been within their grasp all along. Your words are the key. Your words are the map. Your words are the invisible hands that can lift the heavy veil of limitation and reveal the abundance that is your birthright. Yet, there is a moment, a quiet, almost imperceptible moment, when doubt creeps in. It whispers that perhaps it is too late, that perhaps the world is against you, that perhaps your past failures have sealed your fate. And here lies the suspense, the tension that separates those who achieve from those who merely wish. In that very moment, when hesitation threatens to paralyze you, when fear demands your attention, the magic of conscious speech comes alive. Speak the phrase of faith, the phrase of expectancy, the phrase that aligns you with the limitless supply of the universe, and the invisible forces shift immediately. They respond not to struggle, not to despair, not to endless striving, but to the unwavering command of words filled with belief. This is the mysterious, awe-inspiring truth that few comprehend. The universe obeys your spoken word more faithfully than your actions alone. And yet, people continue to speak words of limitation, words that reinforce poverty, sickness, and frustration, never realizing that these words are building a prison that no external effort can dismantle. But for those who awaken to this principle, there is no obstacle too great, no challenge too formidable, no darkness too thick to overcome. Each affirmation of abundance, each declaration of prosperity, each heartfelt expression of gratitude acts like a seed planted in fertile soil, which will inevitably grow into a harvest of riches and joy. Suspense fades when action guided by understanding replaces hesitation. The invisible forces begin to work, moving events, ideas, and circumstances in ways that seem miraculous, yet are perfectly natural to the law. You do not need to see the path fully. You need only to trust the word, to affirm it, to believe it with the certainty of one who knows the treasure is already theirs. Every moment you speak consciously, every thought you entertain with faith, every declaration of expectancy draws the treasure closer, arranging coincidences, opening doors, and creating opportunities that you might have thought impossible. The suspense is resolved not by waiting for luck, not by toiling endlessly, but by the consistent, unwavering use of your words as instruments of creation. The universe listens, responds, and fulfills the commands you issue with faith-filled speech, turning your life into a manifestation of the wealth, abundance, and blessings that have always belonged to you. As you stand now on the threshold of understanding, the final revelation becomes clear. The treasure you seek has never been dependent on struggle, competition, or external approval. It has always been within you, hidden in the simple yet profound practice of conscious speech and belief. Every word you speak is a seed planted in the fertile soil of your life, and every word you withhold, every negative thought you entertain, is a shadow that obscures your vision of abundance. The moment you recognize this truth, the limitations of the past dissolve, and a new reality begins to take shape, crafted not by chance, but by the deliberate, purposeful use of your words. Speak with clarity, with faith, and with joy, for these are the vibrations that open the doors to opportunity, prosperity, and fulfillment. Begin each day declaring your wealth, your success, your health, and your happiness as though they already exist, for the universe does not differentiate between present and future in the way you perceive. It responds to the vibrational truth of your statements. Gratitude amplifies this law. Every expression of thanks acts like a beacon, drawing more of what you affirm into your life. Let your words be fearless, confident, and unwavering, for fear and hesitation dilute their power. It is here, in this conscious, deliberate practice, that you will see the miracle of life unfold. Opportunities appear as if by magic, coincidences align perfectly, and people and resources gravitate towards you, responding to the frequency you emit. Understand that wealth is not merely money, it is a state of being, a harmony between your inner words and the outer manifestation of life. When your inner speech resonates with abundance, health, joy, and love, the universe matches it, often in ways far beyond what you imagine. Trust the process, for it is both immediate and gradual. The invisible currents are always at work, even when you cannot yet see the results. Let go of doubt, let go of complaint, and let go of the habit of speaking limitation, and you will witness how effortlessly life bends to the commands of your faith-filled words. Imagine now the life you desire flowing to you naturally, easily, and abundantly, as though it has always been destined for you. The treasure is not distant, it is alive in every statement you make, in every affirmation, in every thought you nurture. Claim it with courage, speak it with conviction, and allow the law of your words to bring it into visible reality. Remember that every wealthy and fulfilled life began with this same conscious awareness, the same fearless declaration, and the same faith in the unseen power of words. Your life is no different, your opportunity is no less. Step forward now, speak with intention, and witness the transformation that comes when you align your words with the infinite abundance of the universe. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.